week fitness competition vlog series. In this week, you will see that we were out of town all week. We were in Santa Barbara, we were in Fresno, and we ate out all week. Find out if we gained weight, if we lost weight, or we just stayed the same.
Alright, so we are at Jocko's in Nimpomo, and it's like this 90-year-old steakhouse barbecue place. It came highly recommended to me from my roommate Pang. He would not stop talking about it, how great it was, and
Seriously.
all this and that. So it's kind of out of our way. We're on our way to Santa Barbara right now, but we made a reservation. I mean, this place is packed.
Not going to make my 4-hour eating window. Obviously, we are traveling right now, so it's going to be a little hard to do.
When the beat drops.
Their famous steak here. We ordered it with a side of zucchini, and this is the ribeye.
This is the Big Spencer.
Oh yeah. All right. Nice 2-inch thickness.
Not as pink as I normally would like it, but let's see how it is.
Yeah. It is a little bit medium well, looks like.
It's actually extremely good.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Normally I like it pink, like all the way through. Like this is like super moist all the way through. It's really weird. I'll tell you what.
Bomb diggity.
That's good.
All right. Well, let me cut into mine. Now, is this the best steak I've ever had? No. But it's really good. Monday in Santa Barbara doesn't look so bad. As you could see, it's beautiful, 70 degrees, a nice little breeze, no complaints. We have to go work out here shortly. Ryan is still paralyzed, he says. Where are you at, baby? 1 to 10?
8.5.
8.5, that's pretty rough. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like at a 6 right now, so nothing too crazy. But take a look at this view here for your Monday pleasure. Life's good, no complaints. Okay, so I didn't get the last set. And this is reminding me actually of my old days. I actually started out with 20s and I went all the way to 55, so I'll get there. It's week 2. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me over the music, but we were at Los Agaves. It is a Mexican restaurant in Santa Barbara. It is so delicious. One of my favorite things here is guacamole, and I ordered a side of it. Money. Best guacamole that I've ever had. Also, their salsa is the bomb. They have a habanero salsa and it's actually hot. And Ryan and I love spicy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feeling that burn. That's where it's at, that burn.
So much flavor. Oh my god. That is crazy. Oh, that's just the fish. This is chorizo.
Alright.
There. Perfect. Thank you.
Alright, so this is fish and shrimp with chipotle sauce and a salad here. That's what I am having tonight.
Oh man, that's good. I have to eat this faster. I'm like really hungry right now. Got some shrimps, some avocado in there. Kind of mix it up.
Sorry guys, don't have the gimbal, so it's a little shakier than usual. Now we're on our way to eat some sushi. No rice, of course. So we're gonna show you where it's gonna be. It's gonna be arigato.
It's highly rated, over 800 reviews. I mean, I've been steered wrong before, so it could be 2 stars in my opinion. But Ryan and I are kind of honestly sushi snobs. It's not a good thing. I hate that I could ruin sushi and ruin all kinds of foods for myself. But Uchi in Austin is my favorite sushi place. If you ever visit Austin, hit that place up. Looks amazing. I'm a big fan of yellowtail. Yellowtail is actually my favorite fish. When it comes to sushi, it is my favorite fish. Let's go for this guy. This guy is calling my name. Okay, it kind of looks like a pesto. I'm not sure what that is. Okay, I'm still not sure what that is. All right, so habanero with a cream sauce here. All right, this is the bite. That's butter. That's not fish. I can't believe it's not butter.
I'm like choking on my own spit back here.
That's my food review.
There.
Like, we are invited, like, I don't even know how to explain it, and I don't know that I clearly know. So I'm gonna stay for that.
I'm sorry, I know I should be saying something right now, but I'm just like shocked. I'm so shocked. This is the best yellowtail I've ever had.
Wow. Wow, that's a
Tippy.
big title. So this is where we are. We are at Santa Barbara Craft Ramen. We have been here before. It is delicious. I got ramen without the ramen. I got a pork soup ramen, which is the tonkatsu flavored and with pork belly. And I added a little bit more extras to it, so extra egg, extra seaweed to it, and it comes with spinach, cabbage, and let's see what else here. Green onions, seaweed, bean sprouts already.
Also, check out this cool view that we're at. Pretty girl at a pretty location. There's that whole night market back there. Get the focus.
Have something to say. This is the best lettuce wrap burger that I've ever had. Okay, we're at the beach right now. It's about 7 o'clock. I am going to be doing some sprints. I've never done this before. Barefoot on the beach, Tabata style. So here we go. Sprints done. These boys gotta run for their money. Woo! I want some more jalapenos. Let's get for a jalapeno bite. There we go.
There you go.
Boom. Take a bite with the avocado because it really balances out the lime. and it gives it a creaminess with it. So another dimension to your taste buds.
This is called alambres. It's basically just like some meats and some cheeses and some veggies. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
It's good, but I'm gonna throw some hot sauce on it.
We just got to Fresno and we just picked up some chicken wings. They are not breaded, they are naked. We did not get the sauce on them, we got the sauce on the side. This is the blazing sauce. This actually has 1 gram of carb per tablespoon. Day 12, we are currently at my sister-in-law's house. We are doing some babysitting and Ryan is back there cooking our first home-cooked meal of the week. We are having salmon there. We got some mushrooms here.
Do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing. Do that thing. Guess what we are, Samantha?
Paparazzi.
We're YouTubers.
Okay.
What company is putting all this on? Free plug, shameless.
Expo Party Rentals.
Expo Party Rental, Fresno, California.
That's right.
Right.
Be careful for our haunted graveyard.
Oh yes, of course. Look at that with all the blood splatter. He looks like pretty happy to be dead. This is either a nipple or this is a eyeball.
It's a nipple.
Yeah, it's a nipple.
Yeah, let me give you a high five because that was awesome. Good job. All right, y'all, if you're wondering how Pang is doing on this challenge, let me tell you what he's been up to. Week 2. Pool party! Vegas!
There's no way you can diet in Las Vegas. That's impossible.
Alright, I am down in weight. I'm at 115.6, down 1.2 pounds from last week. Body fat down 0.3% and BMI down 0.2. Alright, you're moving in the right direction. Everything is trending downwards. Weight is trending downwards. BMI is trending downwards. And body fat. Alright. Also, this goes to show that you can eat out, make the best decisions you can while you are eating out, and still make progress. Alright, this is pretty insane. These pants are loose on me. They've always been really, really tight on me. That concludes week 2. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also click that bell icon as well if you want to be notified on the next Tippy Tail. And I love hearing back from you, so if you want to leave me a comment down below, I love reading them. As always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We will see you in week 3.